Alright folks, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin today. We happen to be here in Door County. This is a hidden jewel over here, guys. So if you guys wanted to see the beautiful falls, I'm going to take you down to the falls so you can see how it is. It is pet friendly, but just make sure to get some baggies just in case that your dog may have an accident, if you know what I mean. We are going down to the falls, which I think is going to be a lot of fun. I've been here once before and I thought it was beautiful, and just like I said, it's pet friendly. Just make sure to get your baggies. Going into the falls, this is a hidden jewel, guys, so if you guys ever have the opportunity to come and check it out, please do. It's a lot of fun. See how beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, sorry about that. Hi. Look at how pretty. And Sandy likes it over here already. I can see that. Hi. Just be careful. So how beautiful. Hi. How beautiful. Come on, Sandy. Beautiful. In the water. Ah! Ah! Beautiful. Took a shower? Took a shower, Sonia? Up. Up. Correle. Up, up. Up, up. Vente para acá. San.